Hey, what's up, my lovely subscriber? What's up, YouTube world? What's up? Speak my mind entertainment. Wagwan. How is your morning? Good morning to you people all across the world, despite which area. Because you don't know if you're in Europe or in some part of Asia, it's not morning now. So, depends on the, time frame. Just speak up on yourself, all of my lovely subscribers. Continue to support the channel. Remember, life is a mission. TV, just go over there and get it strength, my people. Because I'm dying to start do some decent work on it, but you don't know. But there, Miss Ilian Cooper, big up yourself. Karen Blair, all of my subscribers, them, there's so much name to call where I can't call out everybody right now. So, I just go and do my thing and come across on a name, I will call it out. Yeah, man. Unstoppable, you know your first name kind of tinge if you call, but you know yourself. So, all on just big up on yourself. Maureen, or Dimpler, or something like so, big up yourself. All on, just big up on yourself. Who know hear them name now, we hear later in another video. Me have to go drop down on a name on one piece of paper where I can see it. Yeah, and just go on a road call. But big up on yourself. Anyway, this is about 2 more of the voucher them, Yeah. Thin sin and miss it. You nasty, filthy Michelle. Dog Michelle. Yeah. See it there? Dog Michelle. Right now I want pee and I right pandemic I pee. See it there, people? Yeah. Michelle. You see him one me attack. Yes, my people, see it there, so it wet up and the water me throw upon it. Me just pee upon it. See it? Yeah, and them here in a phone. See them there? Yeah. Yeah, my people, as me say, Nancy Michelle, she not recognize in social media. Because one, she are so educated and she don't have a platform. And you are so educated. And you're not trying to create a platform. Because, as I said earlier on, you run from Andre's TV, so then you dip on one other platform. And you not run. Andre run you from in platform because of the same behavior where you have upon this woman where you feel like say you educated more than her. And she's a dunce and sit down make you a user. Because if you are so educated, why can't you create an account for yourself, a platform for yourself? But what you want when the whole house tumble down, it not tumble down upon you. So this dunce one named Lorraine sit down and make you a turn her platform in a one piece of arms house where at the end of the day she's the one who go and pay the price. You understand? You come and you try make a argument. I want to know if you're a platform holder. You come and enough up your little nasty self now in a people business. But you call out Miss Princess and you call out Dana and Landlord. Who is you for call out nobody? Is skirmish? Who is you for call out nobody? My people are going to play a little part of one video where me hear over where you call him baby germs. Cause the two video that are going to dissect here have to do with him, It's just that this one is on his platform. Listen, dirty Michelle. Nasty Michelle. You understand? Disease skin Michelle. Listener.
On social media every day, I talk about woman empowerment and who forget a word and after that. But I don't have a damn clue what woman empowerment is. Where is Erica showing woman empowerment? Where is Erica showing anybody woman empowerment? Woman empowerment when she take people, when she take my name and Lorraine name and put it on a chamber pot and have it on her like morning, noon and night. I understand why this person is going on the way she's going on because these are the people that Erica, Donna, success and the rest of the garbage them attract. Garbage like...
Alright. When she say garbage, me don't know who she a call garbage. But she's worse than garbage. Because me say in previous video, them we are call people like we garbage, because we know how we them are refer to. Them are the dump. So at the end of the day, them have to store we as garbage. We all kind of hog, insect, roach, rat, play around and play in them place. And them circles. So if we are the garbage, you are the landfill. I mean, I got to talk about a landfill. The name too pretty when we say landfill. You is the dump. You understand? You concerned about award Erica get. You cannot be recognized on no farmer award. You're gonna say, this award show is not something that's recognized, but yet still it is not recognized, but una make a big thing out of it. Then suppose it's a Grammy award she did I get. Suppose it's a BET award she did I get. I won't know that do. Yeah, come and ask if you know what philanthropists mean. Thank God you know. Because your education now put you nowhere more than right which part you there. You now going further than where you there. In a life with your education. I'm telling you already, you check the ratio of all of who know claim say dons they are above uno. All of who know say dons is above uno, but where their living condition is concerned, them financial condition is concerned, them wealth and health condition is concerned. Alright.
Himself. Because her words alone speak volumes about the type of people, the type of woman that control this nasty, that hug up this nastiness. Because it is nothing more than nastiness. It is abject nastiness and disgrace. And you should be ashamed of yourself to come now, if you come defend somebody, and at the same time you're going to talk about the woman they are friend will sell them front. I guess you did help the woman them are friend to help them front, to sell them front, while you know yourself.
You are going to talk about people are talking about woman empowerment. And if this is the woman that we are talking about, woman empowerment for, and we want to award who or write up your name in a big old piss pot, you Lorraine and whosoever name in a piss pot, and she should have shame because piss pot still a use. Yes, piss pot still a use. Because all like a uno is piss pot. And uno still in the present atmosphere, so uno still a use. You understand? So, what you say? Many people, elderly people still use piss pot because instead of get up off of them bed and move to bathroom, depends on which section the bathroom there, and there's a lot of people who them bathroom still outside, them still not really reach to that modern lifestyle yet where them have an inside bathroom, so them draw for them piss pot and them empty you in the morning. Where is your empowerment? Where is your woman empowerment? When you, let's say you bright so much and gone upon somebody who it is obvious that is duncer than you. Not somebody with the average education with you as what you say you bright, you know. You understand? And you gone upon that person platform to carry down people on a daily basis, and not just people, but woman. The same woman where you are say woman empowerment, where you are say Erica get up every day and I carry down woman and I go upon a woman and a woman and this and woman that. Where is your woman empowerment? Erica come and she talk her deeds and her life story from back then. You know what you know, I live some old slimy deeds. I'm afraid to come out, come talk. You know what you know, if you don't pull in the closet right now, not even Dove Cat not have so much skeleton. If you don't pull in the closet right now, not even Maypen Cemetery not have so much skeleton. But what? Only is not proud of it. Erica is proud of our past, and she come and talk our past. And this is one of the things where make uno it burn uno so you know. Uno never go find out Erica past and come on phone come tell her. She make sure she come on phone come tell her her past. And this is why I tell her, uno can't talk nothing about me neither, because this is how me stay. I don't have a great past more than I grew up as a little sufferer, a little. When me come see my mother, they not have nothing of such. Me never born come see Matalan or Issa as my family, or my brother, or my father, or my uncle. So me grew up come up pauperizing. The only two things when me know me grew up with is ambition and the life that God give me. And the ambition that me grew up with, it put me where me there today. Make me could have able for can pull my strings them and go through life and never ever get arrested by the police away from probably a little traffic violation. And me grew up in a three volatile community, West Kingston, Southside, and Olympic Garden. Go doing a research on those three communities. And in and out of Dunkirk, which is East Kingston. You understand? So when you never come chat about the woman, if I this she get, if we come on phone, come talk about her pum pum peak, and what that have to do with that is the woman's personal life. She are getting an award for her work that she has done in humanitarian. When none of you do, if you know wish she come on phone, come talk right now, none of you do what she do. We are criticized. Because some of them don't want to feed on the family, much less if we get up and feed 30, 20, 40 mad people and homeless people. Plus, beat them, not only feed them, beat them, cut them ear. And this is not on a one-off basic. You do it now and another 6 months, you do it again, and you do it Christmas till another Christmas. This is something she make our job on a weekly basic. And our weekend start as a Friday, because when you see sometimes she gone out, she gone shop, yeah, so they so Saturday she gone to market, Saturday evening she start prepare, she start cut up, she start this. And this is the woman who now beat down for her personal life about an award which she get for her humanitarian effort.
Woman of foreign help you said I said them, but you sound dunce and ignorant, just like Dana. Just like Erica, you sound dunce and ignorant. You are on a set of two-faced hypocrites. That's what you are.
Just start.
Dunce like Dana. Where is Dana to you now? College say you spend millions of dollars go to university. And college. Where are you now? What is your earning now? After spending millions going to university. You know much I want to spend millions of dollars. Mark me, I'm not beating down education now. But what me I say, stop come and beat down people who want to feel like it's less educated than uno or non-educated at all. Because as me say, when you're looking at the world today, these are the people who are elevate. These are the people who are more successful than uno-educated people. Because most uno educated now is not coming from a strong background of financial resources. So it pushing you and going to that head start. You understand? No for no education, I know in the bedroom when you sit down upon it. No for no. You come talk about dunce. Look where Dana is now with her dunceness. She don't know A from Bullfoot. She can't pronounce word. She can't say Mississippi. She can't spell it. But where she is now, to you we have your how much degree when nobody's approve of.
People not sing Funa song, and people not sing Dana song. They are everything bad that is in the book, right? I bet if Erica never did a sing Dana song, and I kiss Dana ass, and I cuss people for Dana, she would not be getting any award, because Erica no deserve no award.
Everything happening on social media. Dana pay people. Them I do it for Dana. Uno don't take time out for look into it and see say, this is not all about Dana a pay people. This is not all about people that cuss people for Dana. Like how Uno I try bring down Dana. This is all about sensible people. People who are really educated. People who have a little sense. Partly educated. Sit down and observe and see that this woman is not doing nothing out of the way. No folly, no pally, no hanky panky. But there is cockroach like Uno, the big drummer pit toilet one them where you hardly see. Crawl out in a phone day in, day out and try to beat her down. So we on the outside sit and see all this and we come in defense of her. Dana not pay nobody. Dana beg you every day say, me don't want nobody to see me till you have one old dirty bias one she love come jump up as Dana come out and say that our all time tune Dana play. Every day Dana play that. And all it's that no. A Valiant where I listen to now. That the tune the way you talk about Dana come out and you jump up and go in your community and right. See it? Every day you don't have no shame, you don't have no this. Every day you come out and she don't come say and she don't want nobody to see her. The old nasty bias one. But every time she come out and try to look good, she twist things in her favor to look good. But you see true, me not really I give them no more fame. Not even, from what they about couple video well me see them I do. No, me never look upon them. Video me could have dissect. You understand? Me put up backup page, me see them run go put up backup page because them tell me say, wait man, me I gonna make you chat again, man. Me I gonna draw you out and me come and talk about my backup page and put up backup page. Me see them run and put up one. I know it can't read 60 subscribers. How long now? And there's so much other things I should do. The bias one me attack. No, me never look upon her because me not give her no knowings. But them you drunk her you in a phone.
Period. I reckon I deserve the award. Why would I never take the award and give it to somebody like Whiskey? When I take people money, these people, this is what I do. When I come on social media, come beg money, and then take the money, want to beg, and do things with it, and then I don't want people going to praise me. Where is it? Which part of America is a philanthropist?
Alright. Me not gonna play no more of she. Last of she this. Move on to the next one. But this is one of the next thing with these people who say them educated, get up and them talk things and it's like them put them under them mouth and catch them and say and look upon it and read it before it vanish. Them just talk and say them educated. This is one of the main things where them get up every day and them talk about. What Dana do? Cause in this video, me and she what Dana do for Jamaica? What Dana do for Jamaica? What Dana do? What Dana do? Just like how she talk about what Erica do. All you do is come on phone, beg people money, and take people money and do this and go on like you don't do nothing. Then come on, me shit. You understand? Germs the skin me shit where you come like you have some form of cow disease, skin rash. You understand? And as me say your name and what unknown species, and when me see that the picture of you is really an unknown species. Let me say me can't find it, because I want to show you up again one more time. One more time, me want to show you up again. Come up, me shit. If you know it is so easy. You understand me shit? Me shit. If it is so easy, me shit. If you just go up on your platform, wish you not have one, and just collect some money and do something for people, why can't you do it? Instead of using the platform to tear down other people who are trying to do something. See, I am shit. We are bad, but she find out from last week, everybody who was social media have our picture in her phone. Yeah, man, unknown species. You never know, say they're going to show up. How long you think you could have hide for? How long you think you could have hide for? All your neighbor could have get discussed with you. Yeah, man, all your neighbor get discussed with you and could have send out all them your picture. Because them say, no, sir, you don't need for them on social media behave, so. If somebody will say you're educated. If you see it is so easy to go on a platform, collect people money, and can come show people what you do with them money, why not do it instead of the Lorraine program? Why not change Lorraine program then? And somebody who educated, go on Lorraine program and turn it in put it in a different direction. You understand? And come forward and try help the needy to know. Because it's so easy. Because only no one get the people them will take the time out, use for them platform to do this and achieve something where the poor and the needy and the mad people them, the mentally ill people them can achieve something from. You understand? Only no one give them the props. But it is so easy to do and only nah do it, only do otherwise. Anyway, me shit, me done with you know. People, listen to this. This one name Tinsin. Nasty, dirty Tina Chin. You understand? Tina Chin. When, so, People, wanna listen.
You know, Dwayne is pretty much on her side too. You gotta leave Dwayne and let him do what he gotta do, because he is Dwayne. You know, Dwayne, more power to you, honey. But I see what I needed to see, Dwayne. I don't need to see anything else. You know, I'll still listen to you. I'll still watch you, but my intelligence showed me something else. But it is what it is, you know. No hard feelings towards you, Dwayne.
You're such a visionist. You are so much intelligent. But yet still, all your vision that you have and your intelligence, for a businesswoman that's according to you, a proclaimed businesswoman that's according to you, why can't you use that vision in your business? Why can't you use your intelligence in your business to push your business further than where it is, instead of tearing down your business? So when it comes on to people business and people affair, you're intelligent and full of vision. But when it comes on to your business, you're non-intelligent and you have no vision. You're a blind person. People, nothing more than because what she really want from Dwayne, she not getting it presently. She said Dwayne, I pick up for 99. And after well, all with 99 to Dwayne, put him out on phone, put out him disability, because even she herself never knows that Dwayne is like that and whatsoever. All I want to see the video that day, I want to know exactly say Dana wasn't doing nothing at all to bring down Dwayne. I mean, now get in it. I already go over that already. But continue to listen to this girl, Tina, sickhead chin.
You're a fairly intelligent guy, you know, so I'm kind of a little bit disappointed in what I saw, Dwayne, but it's all good. You can't be neutral but biased. That's not cool. If you're being neutral, you got to be neutral right around across the board. You can't be neutral, Dwayne, and be biased. Because everybody's seen, Dwayne, that you are in 99's corner. We see that. But you're trying to be neutral.
Are you alone see that? Are you alone see that? Because as Dwayne come and tell you now, establish, you know, him are the mix up one. So anyway, the mix up, they are them there. You understand? Him now pick no side, him now choose no corner. So if you come with mix up and the mix up depend you, him a go play you. But guess what me know? You know what, when you come with your foolishness, Dwayne play you. Dwayne for keep it on the carpet. But Dwayne for play everything we go against 99 in a social media, but nothing for you. And because probably him not do that, or probably things where you tell him to do or want him do, him not doing it, him in a 99 corner.
Really? Come on now. If you're gonna be neutral, you be neutral. Dwayne, you're a very intelligent young man.
Father God.
So I don't understand why you're trying to play like you're not in 99's corner. You understand what I'm saying? As much as that woman did to you, right? That woman came out and pretty much bullied you like how she bullied me and everyone else. And you're still in her corner. Come on, dude. Where's your dignity? You gotta have dignity. You gotta have some dignity, dude.
You know, this one I main reason why I really want this, want AD to carry this woman I got court. She don't have nothing for sue for, which it is obvious. We all see it in social media. Because if you can't pay one little small rent for one bakery space where you share for run your business, where you make so much money from, as according to you, you bake how much cupcakes and how much cakes and rare, which we know say nothing not going for you. And this is the reason why you feel that more or less AD is the cost, because AD are the only person where a ship cake America, or AD are the only cake where I sell America, no other baker in America. But you just figure more or less say she that Jamaica, she should not sell so much cake America, while you not sell none. So we know you not have no money. We know that. You have to go back to your kitchen where you do your little wash up clothes and everything, your washing machine and everything in your kitchen. For going back and bake. You can't even pay the $50 for the 2 hours. Where the man say, alright, if you have anything to do, me give you 2 hours for $50. Come do it. Ray. And now you go buy the supermarket cake them. Because you know no space to bake none, you know. So you go buy the supermarket cake them now and just go your yard now, go ice them and do what you have to decorate them and do what you have to do. You understand? Sorry for you. Because, as I say, people should not have no money for Dana sorry for. But I want Dana carry her go court. And if it's possible, she can't have no social media pages. And I want, with the bully where she said Dana bully her, which nobody no see that. Because all she said Dana bring down her name and her business. Nobody can see that in her phone. But there is so much records in phone for she. I do all those things. To Dana, not only Dana alone. Some would like all of them things they play out in our courthouse where judges see them whole heap of video they over 10 years ago. If you see the type of person where you is. If you make when you're done. You look like a toilet without tap with sun come in pan when you sit down pan it. Cause remember, you know, hey, who know, you know, when you go toilet, you have to be comfortable, you know, to release your bowel properly, you know. If you go on a dirty toilet seat, go sit down, it's like you can't use it. So when you're uncomfortable in a toilet, so you want them show you up like a toilet without a tap, where you dip on the bowl and can't do no better. You have to sit down on that and sun come in and help you and water run off of you. Because you come in a phone and tell people are bully you when you do that.
You have to have some dignity about yourself. Nobody is going to mock me about my disability. Like, if I had a disability, they're going to come on your live and mock me, put a camera on me in front of thousands of people.
Me sure know when Dwayne, I go at 99, him no camera did I go up on him. Because Dwayne was the head planker boy, and him know everything we go on over planker shop. So him did know say camera I go up on him. So when you talk about put camera upon him? Oh, no know, go a planker shop. Me see me go there why they never want to go on camera. Up Kate, me go figure by. And me go on camera. And with Dwayne, we say I'm a donor. Dwayne, we say I'm a planker boy. I'm a prefect, perfect, everything. You did expect the camera never there go up on him?
Go right ahead.
So why you figure more or less that the woman put camera upon him? All because,
you know, Dwayne is pretty some dignity about yourself.
She want to show him up and show up him disability. But this is all you think. So you figure like say everybody is the same thing.
Nobody is gonna mock me about my disability. Like, if I had a disability, they're gonna come on your live and mock me, put a camera on me in front of thousands of people to humiliate me, to dehumanize me on their platform, and you still for them? Get the fuck out of here. Are you freaking kidding me, dude? How it's not like she talked about you. It's not like she talked about you and it's just a regular chore with our talk. This woman.
People, you see, this is why I mean no say these are people who tutor Dwayne when him leave 99. Because when all this what she talk about did go on, Dwayne have no problem with it. He show no form of disgust with Dana. When Dana have the camera and I ask him, what Dwayne? I never know say, I saw you stay and wait, and I saw you go on phone. You have to take it easy, man. Mind your blood pressure, mind this, mind that. He was not disgust with nothing what Auntie said. It's after him leave. Me hear this big commotion. Like when them a demolish one big old house. And me I said, no sir. This boy I left on somebody go in him ears and go stir up him head. And tell him all sort of ass dead and covered. And listening to she. Who will tell if she not one of them?
6 foot treatment, and then she did this. She turned on the camera on your ass and pointed it to you and zoomed in and zoomed out and zoomed in and zoomed out and zoomed in and zoomed on your disability.
Anyway, my people, I make that video go too far, you know. But as I say, Tina is running, T-girl is running to corner to corner. She look refuge. She gone to Lorraine. It's like things not work out for with Lorraine either. She run got Dwayne because Dwayne say the mix up king. So she expects that Dwayne are gonna do all the things them know. Yes, yes. But it not working out in her favor. So Dwayne side with Donna. Because basically, she don't want Dwayne play nothing for she certain way where people are say against she. But should I want the world to hear everything against AD. And it now work out. So Dwayne side with Donna. Dwayne pick side with Donna. So now she in return start telling him all about his disability using her psychology. Because she says she educated. Why you would want to come on phone and remind the man about his disability? So if Donna did that show it up, use even worse. Because you shouldn't even be talking about it. But on the sound smart, on educated, so on use psychology upon people, and sometimes them not see it and buy into it and swear so on mean them good. But the people them will mean them good, them have it to say, them people don't mean them good because on tutor them to believe otherwise. Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Remember to watch the ads. Please press that thumbs up. Remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission. Go over and subscribe to the channel. Link in the description or pin in the comment section. Thanks for watching.